So apparently there is another massive Uber driver protest over pay that just took place, which we will be discussing. But before we hop in, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there is an incredible opportunity right now to make money right here on YouTube. It's something I've been doing for over 5 years now. It's how I was able to buy this house. It's creating a faceless YouTube channel, meaning you don't need to show your face at all. And I'll just show you, one of my channels, one of my several YouTube channels over the past 365 days. I've brought in over 130,000 bucks. That's over 10,000 bucks a month. Many days making over $1,000 in a day, and many months making over, $20,000 in a month, 30,000 bucks in a month. So I have a link below. When you click it, right now there's a 30-day free trial, so you can try it out, cancel at any time. And it will unlock all of my video training on how to set up your own faceless channel, and I will also help guide you step by step along the way. So click that link below, learn how to set up your own page. Now let's get started. So hundreds of Uber drivers are protesting over pay. This is a new protest that just took place. A protest was held outside the company's premises in Aston on Thursday. Hundreds of Uber drivers have staged another protest in Birmingham against pay and conditions. So this was in England. People who gathered outside the company's premises in Aston said their pay had fallen and the firm was refusing to talk to them. Last month, parts of the city center were brought to a standstill during a demonstration. The BBC has approached the firm for a response. Speaking last month, it said all drivers were guaranteed holiday pay, access to a pension plan, free sickness protection, and earned at least the national living wage, although the vast majority earned more. A spokesperson added it had an agreement with the GMB to ensure union representation. So if you drive in England, apparently it's way different where what's going on in America with independent contractor versus employee. Well, it sounds like there's been some major, progress with that in England. However, the drivers still are not getting paid, even though it literally sounds like it's like the law there. So really, shocking and sad news to see that drivers not only in America are upset, but also in other countries as well. So again, if you are looking for a new way to make money, check out my link below to the Faceless YouTube channel program. And again, you can unlock that 30-day free trial. This is just my earnings on one of my pages so far this year, 2024. It's just June, and I've already been bringing in over 10 grand a month. Many days making over 1,000 bucks a day. Last year, bringing in over 10 grand a month in 2023. So if you want to learn how to set up your own page, I'll help guide you through it. Click the link below. You'll access all the program material, and of course get access to the group chat where you can direct message me, and I'll help you launch your page, help you start making money on there. So click the link below, grab your 30-day free trial. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.